ಸಂಸತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ವನಿ ಎಬ್ಬಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಿಂದೂ ಟಾಕ್. ಇದೇ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕಿಡಿಕಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಸಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್. ಆಕ್ರೋಶ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಿಂದೂ, ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೂ ವಿರೋಧಿ, ಹೇಗಿದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಬಿಂಬಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕಿಡಿಕಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಸಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ನಾಯಕರಾದ ಕೆಸಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಆಕ್ರೋಶ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೋಕಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಿಂದೂ ಟಾಕ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆಡಿದ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ನಾಯಕರು ಕಿಡಿಕಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಸಿ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್.
Why President is insisting that government is having a clear majority? We are quite sure that because of the insecurity of that government is reflecting through the President's words of secure government. This government themselves is not believing the security of this government. Sir, technically they are in power now. We are also agreeing technically they are in power. But what was the real situation? Pre-election situation in this country. Yesterday, our Honorable LOP narrated all these things. I don't want to repeat it. But you got 246, BJP got 246. First of all, you told about 400 plus. Then you come down for your strength from 303 to 240. This 240 you got with the clear support of Enforcement Directorate, CBI and Income Tax. Not only that, with CBI, Income Tax and Enforcement Directorate and also the so-called the corporate sponsored media 24/7, 8. And of course, BJP. Now BJP headquarters having a washing machine to clean up the corrupt people. To clean up the corrupt people. They talked about very big about others come. And where is the others come? They talked about the biggest irrigation scam. Where is the person who done this irrigation scam?
Washing machine.
A washing machine cleaned out all of these people. Okay, well and good. Sir, despite all these facts, without ED, without income tax, without anybody, without any media help, we got 237 seat India Alliance. That is the moral victory. Clearly, morally, we have won. Morally, you have lost the election. This is what my one point, sir. So, Honorable Prime Minister told, while Rahul ji decided to have contest on Raebareli also, Modi ji told in a public meeting in Kerala, Rahul Gandhi is going to lose in Wayanad. That is why he is going to Raebareli now. Sir, Rahul Gandhi won in Wayanad and Raebareli about 4 lakh votes, more than double to the Prime Minister majority. And also he told after Amethi, he will lose Wayanad. What happened to Amethi, I don't want to say. Who left Amethi now? That you people know that. No, so everybody told that.
Kishore Lal is here.
40 years he was in Congress. 40 years he was in Congress. As a common Karyakarta. You told that Congress filled the Gandhi family Sipai is in Amethi. This is the BJP narrative. But people of Amethi choose Kishore Lal with more than 1,67,000 votes.
Yes.
That the majority than Narendra Modi ji. More than Varanasi. Therefore, sir, this is the situation. Sir, general election 2024, sir. Sir, I'm quoting an article in our constitution, Article 123, 3A. The promotion of or attempt to promote feelings of enmity or hatred between different classes of the citizens of India on grounds of religion, race, caste, community or language by a candidate or his agent or any other person with the consent of a candidate or his election agent for the furtherance of the prospects of the election of that candidate or for prejudiciary. They want to snatch the gold of the woman and distribute it among the people. This is the speech done by our Honorable Prime Minister in Benswara. Sir, the fact is that Benswara he spoke. Who is the member for Benswara now? Who is the member for Banswara? India Alliance member has won with a margin of 2,67,000 votes in Banswara. Prime Minister spoke to the people of Banswara. The people of Banswara totally rejected this claim. Prime Minister again, you ask me discriminating people on having children. I don't know whether the Prime Minister checked his ministers how many children they have. How many children they have? At least the Prime Minister to check their ministers and LNP how many children they have. Because he only told this to the country. Sir, in Gujarat on May 1st, the Congress will take a belt only on one buffalo. Sir, surprisingly and fortunately, in Gujarat, his own state, the Banaskantha people also reject. Yesterday we already narrated about the Ayodhya. Sir, this is what I'm telling. This is actually anti-constitutional. I quote the constitutional provision. This is actually against the constitution. Prime Minister, as a candidate, as a political leader, violate the entire constitutional norms. So what is that? I'm not yielding. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding.
But I'm giving you parliamentary affair minister. Parliamentary affair minister.
Renuji, this is just a courtesy. We give time to each other. What I'm saying is we are patiently listening to your speech. Patiently, मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर किसी को नहीं पता कि इस चुनाव में किसको कितना सीट मिला है और वेणुगोपाल जी का भाषण को सुनेंगे तो
about Hinduism. I am a Hindu brother. I used to go Guruvayur temple every month. I used to go to Sabarimala every year. But I used to visit Vatican also. I used to visit Ajmer Mosque also. I went along with my leader Rahul Gandhi to Golden Temple. We done seva. What a situation was there. Yeah, sister, please write. You know, we believe it. What a yes, brother. Yes, really, you think that Modi is bigger than God. You project it like that. Prime Minister is bigger than God. That is the biggest anti-Hindu statement. That is the biggest anti-Hindu statement. That is the biggest anti-believer statement. Nobody is bigger than God as per Hindu tradition. You presented Modi as bigger than God. That is why God punished this election. Yeah. You understood? That is why. Sir, then yesterday, Anurag Thakur, this rule book yesterday, Honorable Prime Minister showed this rule book to this part. We are also respecting rule book, respecting directions from the Speaker. That rule book has to be applicable to all the members of this House. Speaker has expunged Honorable Rahulji's speech. Speaker didn't touch Mr. Anurag Thakur's speech. Anurag Thakur, how many allegations he made yesterday? Sir, Speaker.
ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಬಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 292, ಜಿಯೋ ಟಿವಿ 1334, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53, ಇನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 896ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಸ್ತದ ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.